Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV, and today I'm going to be showing you how to turn on and off your iPhone 17 Pro Max, iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, or iPhone 17 Pro. I'm going to show you three different ways you can do this so you don't just have to press the buttons on the phones. So if your buttons don't work or they break in the future, you'll know what to do. Let's get started. All right, so I've got the iPhone Air and the iPhone 17 Pro, but the process of shutting down and turning off your iPhone is exactly the same for all iPhones. I'm going to show you three methods on how you can turn off the iPhone. The first one is going to be using the side buttons here on the right, and then also pressing on one of the volume rockers. So we'll use the top volume rocker for this. We're just going to press and hold on the side button and the volume rocker at the same time. We're just going to do both of them, and you want to see a slide to power off option just like that. Once you see that, just do that, slide it, power it down. It takes about 30 seconds to fully power itself down before you can turn it back on. However, depending on which iPhone you have, it may take a little bit longer to shut down. And also, if you have a ton of things on these iPhones, it may take some time as well. But once they've shut down completely, you can then power them back on. Now, powering the iPhone back on, you're going to need to press and hold on that same side button. So on the right side of the phone, press and hold until you see the Apple logo appear, just like that. Give it a few seconds to power itself down. Depending on how old your iPhone is, it may take a little bit longer. I'm giving you real time here of how long it takes to turn on the iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone Air. Just a few seconds there, not too bad. You can then swipe up and go back into your phone. Additionally, if you want to power down your phone and the side buttons don't work for whatever reason, if you have an older phone or it's just too hard for you to do that, or a lot of people don't like the fact that you have to press two buttons, you can easily shut down the iPhone, all iPhones. Just pull down your control center. You have a little button up here or a little icon. Just press on it a little bit, almost like a button. It'll bring up this section here. You can slide to power it down just like that. Additionally, if you go into your settings here, you go to general and you scroll all the way to the bottom, there is a shutdown option right there. So if you can't press with the haptics on the iPhone, that's a way to do it too. So that's how you power on and power down the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, or the iPhone 17 Air. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. As always, the full playlist to the iPhone 17 tips, tricks, and tutorial guide is in the video description to help you get the most out of your iPhone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell notification box so you're notified when I post new videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.